Hey, it's Josh from Galooli. Here are 5 ways our remote monitoring and management solution can help improve your energy efficiency and sustainable operations. Number 1. Monitor your remote assets and site's performance. The first step in improving your energy efficiency is having a live visual of all of your remote sites and assets. This includes tracking your energy KPIs both live and historically across all of your remote infrastructure. Number 2. Provide insights and optimizations. Now you're monitoring these remote energy assets and their performance, so let's put these KPIs to use. Galooli's AI augmented analytics provides actionable changes that you can make from your live and historical data in order to improve your energy efficiency and overall energy use. Number 3. Remote control and problem mitigation. Nearly 50% of network operators believe that technician travel time is one of the leading obstacles to remediation. Our solution is able to remotely troubleshoot and fix these problems, reducing maintenance costs, travel time, and overall durability of the site. Number 4. Live alerts and periodic reports. If a generator fails or a backup battery isn't performing as it should, stakeholders need to be made aware. Our live alert system provides them detailed information in regards to the event, its place, the asset affected, and what is going on right now. Number 5. Track your carbon emissions. Energy efficiency goes beyond your energy use and has everything to do with carbon-conscious operations. This includes tracking carbon KPIs, the scope of your emissions, identifying problematic sites, and ensuring that those sites are optimized to be as carbon-free and energy efficient as possible. If you want to start optimizing your site operations, improving energy efficiency, reducing your carbon footprint, and optimizing operations, contact us and we'd love to start you on your journey.